If you don't like history but still love cats, then listen anyway. If you don't like myths but enjoy mysteries, then stay. If you don't like trends but adore charm, then watch this. Chapter 1. The Ancient Origins. Tabby DNA traces to the African wildcat. The blueprint behind the tabby we know. In Egypt, they were almost sacred. Chapter 2. The 5 pattern secrets. Mackerel. Classic, spotted, ticked, patched. Each pattern a unique coat language. Chapter 3. The mystery of the M. Legends give it meaning, genetics give it form. Chapter 4. Personality and intelligence. Social, curious, often dog-like in loyalty and play. Chapter 5. Modern icon. The standard issue cat of the internet. Timeless.